Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jamie and I am back today with a video. Without further ado, let's just dive into the unboxing of this very specialized backpack. Let's do the unboxing. And when I say it's interesting, I'm just going to share with everyone a little later what I mean when I say it's interesting. Okay, gotta be very careful not to cut into the backpack. Wow, it's quite a lot of layers, man. Haha. So when I say it's interesting, this is actually what I mean. See here? It says one bag, 3 sizes, 9 configurations, plus it's collapsible, and it's the A10, and it's marketed as an adjustable bag. And I always say it's unique. It can double up both as a duffel bag or as a sling bag. This would be a bag that I would just carry along if I'm going for like a long holiday and I need the additional space or the additional carrying capacity whenever I go on a long holiday, if I'm going for like a shopping trip. So this would be a bag that I would carry, most likely. But of course not specifically for that purpose. I might just carry this bag just in case if I need the additional space. So what does this say here? Yep. The adjustable bag A10, versatility, 3 sizes, 10 configurations. A10 is the world's most versatile and practical bag, and that was the reason why it's here. So it comes in this carrier, and then of course I chose the camel colorway. And if you're in Singapore, I mean, if you are a Singaporean citizen, obviously this is one of those things that you know, gives you very bittersweet memories. You know, especially if you're a Singaporean male, you will have to at some point in time serve out your national service. And people like us, you know, we're all very proud to know that at some point in our lives, you know, we actually served the nation. It really does remind me of the time when I served in the army and my army uniform looked exactly like this bag. So for sure. So let's just dive into the bag. The build quality of it, it's really nice. Okay, I am very particular about the zippers. Oh, okay, look, check it out. Let me see. Okay, what zippers are they using? Okay, it's not YKK, but it says here SBS, and it's got this waterproof liner here, pretty much like the boundary bags. So should be waterproof, I suppose. So very simple bag where you can just chuck out all your shopping, you know, all the clothes that you buy. You can just chuck everything inside here. Okay, so let's go into. Okay, let's see if I'm gonna be chucking stuff like that inside. And it still feels nice, and then you could carry it like a backpack. This is pretty cool. Let's see. Let me just explore some other ways of configuring this bag. Okay, now let's look at the. You carry it in this manner. I'm actually thinking that this bag could be, I mean, it's definitely army inspired. Let's look at the other additional pockets that this bag comes with. So over here you've got a pocket to put your passport here. Let's see, let's explore how I can collapse this thing. zippers are good. Multiple handles assure weight is always properly distributed. That explains why you've got these handles here. I'm assuming that you would have to remove the straps first and then start pushing from this end. All of a sudden you have a bag that's this is cool, man. So then I guess you could just like wrap it around like so and then just clip onto this right here. Just like that. Just how you keep it. So technically, the carrier that it came with, you don't really need this. Okay, this is the stowaway mode. Okay, let's just go from large to medium. Okay, so just now, this is the stowaway mode when you want to carry it around or when you want to pack it into the main luggage. So let's just go from large to medium. Let's just pull this thing out first. So, handle A, which was this one that you saw originally. Let me just use this. I'm supposed to cinch it shut, like so. And then, all of a sudden, this becomes my handle A. So obviously, the weight distribution is directly in the middle. So it becomes a duffel around this size. And if I wanted to go from M, medium, to a small duffel bag, I do the same on this side. Right, okay, so let me just remove this. It's got this clips here that I can just remove like so, and again I removed that straps. From medium to small, and then the primary A handle becomes the A handle again. So this is the small configuration. So that was the large, medium, and then now this is small. So in the small configuration, I could carry it like that. So again, you can see over here, these are the different styles of carrying the A10. To summarize, we've just seen a duffel bag that went from this size to this size and then finally to this size. Overall, I really think it's a really cool bag. And that's gonna do it for today's video. I mean, if you guys actually like this bag, I'm definitely gonna put the link to the website in the description below. Go check it out. They've got several other colors. I love camping. So until the next video, which is probably gonna be soon, I should be picking up the DIU sometime this week. I'm not sure when. I'm still waiting on Synergy to advise me. It's gonna be an interesting color. In fact, it's gonna be a color that I've never chosen before. I'm just gonna hope that I will end up falling in love with the color. But hey, who knows? And I'm just looking forward to it. As always, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing if you find my videos interesting. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.